Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your hoverboard has finished charging but still refuses to power on, don't worry because this is a problem that many users faced. Even though the battery appears to be charged, issues such as loose connections, battery protection mode, or temporary electronic glitches can prevent the hoverboard from starting. Fortunately, this situation doesn't always mean that the battery or motherboard has failed. In many cases, a few simple checks can help bring the hoverboard back to life. Before considering expensive repairs or replacements, there are several troubleshooting methods worth trying. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help fix a hoverboard that won't turn on after charging. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the hoverboard completed the charging process properly. Step 2. Inspect the charging port and power connections on the hoverboard. Step 3. Press and hold the power button on the hoverboard for several seconds. Step 4. Check the hoverboard for loose cables or visible damage. Step 5. Allow the hoverboard to rest briefly before attempting to power it on again. Step 6. Confirm that the hoverboard starts normally and responds correctly.